You need to open that back door?
No, I'll open it up. Got a 52 Ford pickup truck here. It's been repainted probably a couple times. Used to be owned by a fire company out of Illinois. This is all original tin on this truck. Try to get some close-ups. None of this stuff has been changed. The floors are original, perfect. All the cab supports and everything are. I'm gonna try to get a video of it. It's got a couple leaks, nothing serious. It's an old truck.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Motor,
it's all original.
yeah, motor's never been touched. Roughly 20,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
And that's Vince, the owner, over there. He no longer drives it. So it's time to send it down the road. I'm trying to get the inside of the fenders here. Nice clean truck. It's a little damp right there. Nothing serious. It's the original seat, never been touched. 20,637 miles, I believe that says. That's original. Sorry, I'm in a tight garage. It's hard to get a good video here. Trying to get in the fenders there. Get in the bed. Like I said, untouched, original stuff. Been refinished. But 20,000 miles. Beautiful piece. We'll get it out in the sunlight here shortly. There's the flathead. Obviously hasn't been run. We're going to do a cold start shortly and drive it out of the garage.
You want to take it for a ride?
Yeah, we'll take it for a road test. That way when we advertise this, people will know exactly what they're getting into. Forgot to get the headliner. It's the original headliner. I correct that. That is not the original headliner. It's been replaced at one point. We have one of the original tires off the truck. A grill guard, another old bumper, and a trailer hitch assembly laying over there. All right, Vince is going to start us up here and hopefully take us for a little drive. You got that under control, Vince? The engine's cold. See what it does.
This has got a electric fuel pump. These flatheads are notorious for blow-bys or whatever, you know.
Oh yeah, they'd get vapor lock.
So yeah, vapor lock, and I just put one on. I never used it, but
look at that. Still 6 volts and still lights right up.
how quiet it is.
Very quiet.
It hasn't been running in a few weeks. Years, 55 is my running speed.
That's all you're going to get out of it.
It'll probably go 60.
I don't know, Vince, you're doing a fine job. I'm not sure why you want to sell this truck.
Sparta, New Jersey. It took me like 2.5 hours to get up there.
Yeah. Driving a brand new truck without any options. She runs just fine.
I used to take my wife with me.
She was brave enough to ride in this, huh?
We had a little Maltese dog. We had her for 13 years.
Yeah.
Just lay there. She enjoyed the ride.
Yeah. Stops just fine.
This is a 4-speed transmission. We'll put it in 3rd gear.
Rolls right out. I like that.
Shows of friends of mine and everything, they're all dead. I'm the only one left.
You're the only one left, huh, Vince? Out of the whole group.
Yeah. I'm the only one left.
How old are you now?
92.
92?
Yeah.
92 years young. Still driving the old Ford.
Used to have a good time, you know, but now I have nothing to go for. I don't know anybody, you know. When you see you at a show, that's the only person I know.
I'm going to pause the video for here, and then we'll take more when we get back to the house.
What?
After our test drive here, we're out in the daylight. This truck is truly beautiful, original sheet metal. Slight modification up there on the roof when there used to be a strobe of some kind of a light. A little bit of a blemish right there. I'm not sure if that wipes off or not. Probably will, probably rub right out. Sorry, you have to see my reflection.
What?
Yes, Vince?
It's all original
Inside. This inside has never been repainted. You got original scuffs and scratches. It's the original paint on the interior. Again, just over 20,000, like 20,600 miles. Original seat. It's got seat belts. I think the seat goes forward. Yes, it does. Fuel tank still behind the seat. There's what appears to be an original jack. Hardware.
Got a spare tire under there.
There is a spare, from what Vince is saying. Sorry, I can't really get down there. This will make a nice truck for somebody. Wish I had money and a place to keep it. I'd be buying this.